Hey, what's going on? Chris Cervantez, eHomes, coming at you with the monthly market update for the month of February for the city of Upland. I have a lot of information for you, and I think the thing that I want to open up with is, hindsight is 2020. How do you know when the bottom of the market has happened? Well, it's because it already happened, and you can see things changing going forward that would indicate that things are now a little bit more, robust and a little bit more healthy. So why do I say that? Pricing is down in Upland. Sales activity has been down here in the last quarter, the last 3 months of the year in Upland. However, going forward, myself and a lot of my associates have observed there's definitely an uptick happening. Is that a result of the new year starting and people are just ready to refocus on real estate? Maybe, but I think it's also a result of interest rates dropping. Interest rates are coming down they peaked in November, so interest rates are down from 7% down to 6% according to Mortgage News Daily. So that's fantastic. That's going to mean more buyers are entering the market, which is great news for sellers. But as far as buyers are concerned, a lot of buyers are trying to time the market, right? So if I'm telling you, and again, this is just my 2 cents, if I'm telling you that the worst has already happened, wouldn't it make the most sense to go ahead and get involved in the market now? And I think the answer is yes. If you're looking to buy a home, jump into the market now, because I think there's going to be a lot of competition as we enter the spring months. So if you think that I'm right, if you think that I'm wrong, I'd love to hear your comments below. And yeah, I'd like to share some thoughts and ideas with you. But let's share some stats really quick because I think there's some great information to share. In Upland right now, there are 71 homes on the market. That's up 73% from last year. So that's great news. On the flip side of that, wow, inventory is up 73%. That's bad, right? No, because in the grand scheme of things, it's still, technically speaking, a seller's market, specifically because of, if we look at it purely from the absorption rate. The absorption rate is how quickly are the buyers absorbing the current inventory in the market. If we compare the absorption rate last year we only had 3 weeks of inventory during this period of time, the same period of time. This year we have 1.8 months. So the absorption has definitely gone up, which is an indication of things are finally leveling off and being a little bit more healthy. 3 weeks of inventory is not healthy. It was crazy last year. But nonetheless, sales activity and closings are down substantially. The closed amount of homes in Upland for the last 30 days, it's down 50% compared to this time last year. There were 32 homes that have sold, and pending activity compared to last year is down 60%. So should you be concerned if you're a seller? Is it a great time to sell? If you have to sell, the buyers are out there. If you price it properly, it's going to sell. The average days on market in Upland is 56 days. So homes are still selling. Again, 56 days for the last 30 days. So now we're February 1st. I mean, that was the month of January. It takes our market, historically speaking, about 30 days to shake off the holidays, and we're really feeling it. We're really feeling that ramp up here in activity. One metric that I've been sharing in the past that I think is a really great insight of what's happening, the list price to sales price ratio. If we look at the 12-month, 6-month, and 3-month, things were pretty balanced. Sellers were getting about 100% of their asking price 12 months ago, 6 months ago, and 3 months ago, they were getting about 98% of their asking price. In the last month of the homes that sold in January, the list price to sales price ratio was negative 5.5%. So that means whatever they listed for at that current time, they're selling about 5.5% below their asking price. Again, I think that's a result of the holiday season, but time will tell. I really think that that's going to flatten out here in the coming months. I'm curious, what do you think? Do you think now is a good time to buy? Do you think now is a good time to sell? Let me know. I'd be curious to hear what you think. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this below. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.